Hi guys, today I'll show you how to install and configure one of the most anonymous messaging service. First we're going to install Pidgin client and off-the-record plugin. We can use GNOME software, or a terminal. Now we will install Tor packages. Checking Tor status. Tor is activated. Installing Net Tools for checking active Tor port. Now we have to create a Jabber account in any Jabber server with no logs policy. Let's open Pidgin client, and add our account. Now open plugins and activate of the record plugin. It provides encryption for our messaging. Now let's make Pidgin working only through Tor. We've already checked Tor port. As you remember, Tor is activated. When we stop Tor service, our messenger stop working. That's it, your chats are completely anonymous.